Hello everyone, welcome back, and you are watching Technical World. When we try to log in an Instagram account, it says feedback required. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix this issue. So without wasting any time, let's get started. The first thing that we have to do, we have to tap and hold the App Store and tap Updates. Now check the list. Is there any update available for Instagram? If there is, then we have to update Instagram app first. Or tap and hold the Instagram app, tap remove app and tap delete app. After deleting the app, re-download completely from the App Store. After the re-download, launch Instagram. Then tap login with another account. Here we have to tap on forgotten password. Now put your Instagram username and tap next. SMS link sent. We sent a SMS to that number with the link to get back in your account. Tap OK and open that link. Now tap on that link. And you will get back your Instagram account without any restriction. In the end, try one more thing. Go to settings and tap general. Here we have to tap on iPhone storage. In storage, find and tap on Instagram and tap offload app. After that, force close all the apps that are running in the background and force restart your iPhone by quickly press and release volume up button, quickly press and release volume down button and press side button until you get Apple logo. And also depending on your iPhone model to force restart. After these simple and easy steps, you will get rid of this issue. That's it. Hopefully friends, you found this video helpful, so please don't forget to subscribe, like and share with your friends and family. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.